Welcome to our AppMachine review. This mobile app development platform empowers anyone, from beginners to seasoned developers, to build professional-grade apps efficiently. Check the description for links to everything mentioned in this video. AppMachine's intuitive, block-based system lets you build by stacking pre-built components. It's perfect for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and developers seeking a streamlined process without sacrificing functionality or aesthetics. Whether you need custom coding or prefer drag-and-drop simplicity, AppMachine delivers. Seamlessly integrate with popular APIs, databases, and tools like Facebook and Twitter, or connect to custom data feeds. AppMachine is ideal for businesses needing apps that interact with existing ecosystems. It supports both iOS and Android development and includes built-in publishing tools for easy deployment. Customize your app's branding, layout, and UI with modern, responsive templates. Preview changes in real time to save time and ensure your app meets expectations. For developers, AppMachine offers advanced options like custom coding and API access for greater control. Its user-friendly interface also makes it accessible for non-technical users wanting a professional app without coding. In our experience, AppMachine is versatile, fast, and feature-rich, catering to a wide range of users. The pricing is competitive, especially for small businesses and startups. If you're looking for a powerful yet approachable mobile app development tool, AppMachine is worth exploring. Get started today. Click the links in the description.